A very good morning to all of you. Hello, listeners. Guide to interviewing. In this topic, we will talk about types of interview techniques, and many more about interview. Only about interview, how we are going to interview a person. We are talking about all this stuff in this. What kind of content? Types of interviews. 3 types of successful interviewing. The interview schedule, the interview guide, conducting the interview, report, questioning, interview review, the interviewee, do's and don'ts, and further assistant. All these are the topic content we are going to talk about. What kind of different kind of interview we are having, how we can be a successful interviewing, what kind of schedule it have, how do we guide them, what kind of question they ask, all these things are there in the interviewing. Interviews. Interview are the essence guide dialogue to gain information made effective by using as well as prepared interview guide. What are the examples? Requirement gathering interview, post-implementation review interview, job and team selection interview, performance review interviews, exit interviews. It means these are the different type of interviews that we can go out. What are the steps in successful interviewing? Preparation, execution, review. First of all, the procedure we pursued, an interview schedule and interview guides. We conduct the interview and we write up the interview notes about them. What kind of things we have asked, how we have worked upon it. These all things have been written over there. Steps of interviewing process. First, preparation. Interviewing schedule. Who you are going to interview and why, when and where you are going to interview a person. Interview guides. What questions are you going to ask the person while going for an interview. Execution. Interview. Structure, rapport, listening, probe and clarification are coming in the interview execution. Review. What results are obtained, structure, form, decision, action, everything is been in a review form. An interview guide should be created prior to all interviews to ensure the interviews are focused and effective and applicable. Comparison and summarization of all the interviews. These are the different kind of steps in an interviewing process that should be kept in mind while going for an interview. There should be a proper preparation for that, proper execution of the work should be there, and we should review all the work which has been given to the person is properly being done or not. Review schedule. Interview schedule. Name of the person, his position, his relation and their date of joining. All the schedule should be tracked who is going to be interviewed and when and why. It should be kept in mind while we are structuring the interview. Preparation for the interview schedule. Identify what the objective of the interview are. First of all, basic motive of the information, objective of an interview. What information you need to find out and therefore what areas of the business you need to obtain information from. Identify who needs to be interviewed to obtain this information. Create an interview schedule allowing time to review and record notes between interviews. Both the interviews and recorded them in a schedule. Interview schedule should be properly been done. Why and view objective of an interview is being done. Create an interview schedule also. There should be proper note and record should be maintained. Record of the interview and its schedule. Interview guide. Section. Introduction. Personal background should be written there. What are the key mission of the department? Questions, education, work experience, major activities, major interference, body, recent development and area, customer satisfaction and reaction, major product, competitor activities, switching costs, wrap up. To make the most out of the interview, as well thought through interview guide is extremely helpful. Prepare to interview guide. The interview guide enables and standardization of interview for effective comparison and summarization. Determine the objective of an interview. Plan the structure of an interview. Prepare interview question beforehand. Prepare individual additional notes if they assist. For example, having an organization chart helps in clarifying roles and responsibilities. The interview guide enables standardization of interview for effective comparison and summarization too. Guidelines for structuring an interview. First of all, it should be focused. Many interview tends to go off and tangent during the interview. Your interview guide should be clear, state that boundaries for an interview. These should be stated generally at the beginning with more specific instruction to refocus when appropriate. Open question, qualifiable, complete information should be given about the interview. Qualified. Open question tends to produce long answers that are difficult to quantify and compare. If you need major response, ask the interview to assess and value to the answers so direct comparison to be made. Interview execution. Interview are exceptional rich source of information. It gives a lot of information about the person who is being interviewed. However, no two interviews are alike. Some tend to ramble, others are suspicious and curt. Some will not to be silent encouragement to speak their mind, while others we have a guided along. The interview job is to conduct the interview to gather the information required, which takes skills, practice and structure. Once having concluded your interview, they must be summarized to yield a big picture and should have a viewpoint also. How to conduct the interview? First of all, the introduction, body and wrap up. Conduct at the place of work. Always state the reason of the interview. Put the interview at ease to relax their mind. Ask the interview if they agree to take notes about the thing they have asked. Listen to the answers and request clarification. Avoid mistake criticism. Avoid making criticism about the person name work. Keep control of the interview. Refocus the interview if they are rambling. Stay focused and follow your interview guide. Allow the interview to ask questions. Thanks the interviewee. Advise them what the next steps are and their time frame. If it's not selected, why it is not selected, what he can do further, help him out in any other way if not selected. If selected, take all the formalities being done about them. Build rapport. Building a rapport is very important. Your interview needs to be a balance and building a rapport and collection of required information about them. Introduce yourself. Interview style, time frame, sequences of interview time, journal before specific, external, historical, Means all the information should be shared if he is getting interviewed. Listen and question. The ensure as the interviewer you are listening to gain no information. Use non-verbal causes and head notes to show you are listening. Wait until the current question is answered before preparing the next one. Ask open-ended and close-ended questions too. Open question. So, what you can enjoy about the role and their issues and everything. What are the advantages and disadvantages too. Put the interview at the ease. They should not lose control. Do not spend too much time. It should not be unreliable. It should be even reliable too. Close question. Use effective time. Comparing interview. Reliability of data. It should not be even boring. Do not provide opportunity to qualify answer. Or this should not be done. Prop questions. Data. Provide data of new accepts. Supply details in content. Show interest in conversation. Can appearing threatening. It should be prop questions is honing on a particular area of interest and drilling down to obtain more details. Do not extract too much detail. The person is getting bored. If appropriate data is already been taken, do not go into a very detailed answering. It can be a very disadvantages for that person. Phrasing is a technique used to confirm or clarify something that interview has said or implied. Interview review, key steps. Write interview notes as soon as possible. Outline key finding. Consider how finding fit with earlier evidence. Identify gaps to fill the subsequent interview. Location, time, everything, background, key finding, notes, everything should be mentioned in a detailed manner so that anyone who reads about that person have a clear review and good point about her. The interviewee may be assuming no possible improvement, assuming they have a full picture, assuming knowledge of their part, describing work out their sequences, covering up their own failing, scoring of others. All these points should be kept in mind when interview may be there. Interview can be in actual, a journaler, a familiar, abstractor, deviser, a louder, shy. Whatever the personality can be of an interview can be. The thing is that you have to adjust your style to suit the interview. The person should make a special effort to build rapport and find common language and experience. Avoid closed question. Use open questions to draw them out. Be very explicit in setting the sense. Tell why you are there and what they can accept. Establish rapport and make sure you are relaxed and confident enough. Poor interviewing behavior. Here you can see some of the poor interviewing behavior. Did not make an appointment, arrived late, was rude, being unconfident. These are the points, some of the points who been being poor interviewing behavior. Do not arrive without warning. Show off, criticize, interrupt, and be impatient. Use chorus language. These kind of things should not be done. Do create rapport, make notes, sincere, objective, be courteous, verify your finding, be helpful to that person, loving, caring, everything. Future assistant, guide to communicate. If not selected, guide to required gather information, conduct meetings. All these are the points that should be kept in a mind while going for a guide a person for an interviewing. Thank you to you all.